iiwan. Math-sayang Math-aral tayo ng Math-tuto upang ika'y umasenso. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina Math-aral na tayo. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina Math-aral na tayo. Halina, 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 Math-aral na tayo.
Isang matsayang araw, mga batang mandunong and home learning partners. Welcome to Project SOAR, series of online academic reviews of mathematics CLAID learning modules. I'm Ma'am Karen Sota, a teacher from Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, and I will be your moderator for today's sessions. Batiin din natin ng isang matiwasay na umaga ang mga masisipag and ever-supportive na STO officials sa panguna ni Dr. Romela M. Cruz, Sese, Officer in Charge, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso, Officer in Charge, Office of the Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Aline G. Mendoza, Chief Education Supervisor of Curriculum Implementation Division, Mrs. Emma G. Arubio, Chief Education Supervisor of Schools Operations and Governance Division, at syempre pa, ang napakasipag and dedicated na Education Program Supervisor ng Mathematics, si Mr. Teacher I. Rodelas. Mga batang mandunong, handa na ba kayong matuto ng advanced lessons in mathematics this quarter? Don't worry, dahil sasamahan kayo ng mga matitinik na teachers ng Andres Bonifacio Integrated School para mas maintindihan ninyo ang mga topics for week 8. Bago tayo magpatuloy, nais ko muna kayong imbitahan na bisitahin, i-like at i-share ang aming official FB page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong. I-like at i-share ang video na to at mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa aming YouTube channel, MTM Channel. Handa na ba kayo mga grade 7 learners? Ilabas na ninyo ang inyong CLAID Module for Week 8, lapis at ballpen. At kilalanin natin ang lecturer ng Advanced Lesson for Grade 7, Problem Solving Involving Sides and Angles of Polygons. She is an alumna of Rizal Technological University, an MTop trainer and a CLAID module writer. And she is a very dedicated teacher for almost 20 years and counting. Mga batang mandunong and home learning partners, let's all welcome Miss EDLYN A. Sosas.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Karen, for that wonderful introduction. Sa mga magulang, mag-aaral, at mga guro, mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. Lalong-lalo na sa aming Education Program Supervisor in Mathematics, Mr. Teacher I. Rodelas. Sa aming punong guro, Mrs. Olivia L. Pagurayan. Sa aming Assistant to the Principal ng Junior High School, Miss Grace B. Mendoza. At sa lahat ng mga batang mandulong na nanonood ngayon, magandang umaga. Welcome to our Project SOAR series of online academic review of Mathematics CLAID learning modules. I'm EDLYN Sosas, a teacher from Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, and I will be your reviewer for the week 8 of grade 7 mathematics. Bago tayo magsisimula sa ating pag-aaral, ihanda muna ang inyong mga kagamitan. Kailangan natin ang inyong Mathematics CLAID modules, ballpen, at papel na maaari ninyong magamit sa pagsosolve. Handa na ba kayo? Tara na!
Our objective for this lesson is to solve problems involving sides and angle of a polygon. Before we proceed, let us have a review in our previous lesson. Okay, you can write your answer in our chat box. Direction. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay, number 1. A polygon is a closed figure made by joining line segments where each line segment intersects exactly two others. Okay, you can now write your answer in our chat box. Okay, so what will be your answer? Okay, very good. It is true. Okay, for number 2. A regular polygon is both equilateral and equiangular. Okay, just write your answer in our chat box. Okay, so we have true. Because regular polygon, pag sinabi natin regular polygon, all angles are equal in measure and all sides have the same length. Okay, for question number 3, the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So what do you think? It is true or false? Okay, very good. It is true because the sum of an angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, for question number 4. A triangle having all three sides of equal length is called Iscalian triangle. So what do you think it is? True or false? Okay, it is false. Bakit po siya false? Because when we see Iscalian triangle, no equal sides and no equal angle. Okay, for question number 5, we have a triangle with angles 30 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees is a right triangle. So what do you think is the answer for question number 5? Okay, it is true. Because a right triangle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. Okay, so kasi pag sinabi kasi natin right triangle, ang isa sa angle daw niya is a right angle, which is in this one, meron tayong 90 degrees. Okay, for question number 6, a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon whose sum of all the angle is 540 degrees. Okay, so what do you think? It is true or false? Okay, it is false. Bakit tayo nag-false dito? Although pag sinabi kasi natin quadrilateral, it is a four-sided polygon. Okay, it is a four-sided polygon. Pero dito po tayo nagkakaroon ng problema, kaya naging false yung ating statement. Kasi ang sinabi dito, the sum of all the angle is 540 degrees. Which is, alam natin na yung sum of all the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So, kaya po tayo false dyan. Okay, for number 7. A parallelogram has four sides and four congruent angles. Okay, so ang magiging sagot po natin dito, it should be sometimes true. Bakit po tayo nag-sometimes true? Kasi alam naman natin na ang parallelogram has four sides and four angles. Pero hindi po kasi sa lahat ng panahon ay congruent angles tayo. So, magiging congruent angles lang tayo kapag yung given parallelogram natin is square and rectangle. So, our answer is sometimes true. Okay, for number 8. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral having exactly one pair of parallel sides. So, it is true. Okay, for number 9, a quadrilateral with sides 15 feet, 9 feet, 15 feet, and 9 feet is a rectangles. Okay, so this is true. Bakit po? Pag sinabi kasi natin rectangle, yung opposite sides niya are parallel and equal length. Okay, so for number 10, a square is a rectangle. So, this is true. Because a square is a special kind of rectangle. And every square is a rectangle, but not every rectangle is a square. Okay, before we are going to proceed in our topic, we are going to define first polygon. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng polygon? The word polygon came from the Greek words poly, which means many, and gon, which means angle. Okay, a polygon is a union of a non-collinear segments, the sides, on a plane that meet at their endpoints, the vertices. So yung yung endpoint niya, ang tawag doon ay vertices. So that each endpoint, the vertex, is contained by exactly two segments, sides. Okay, so let us now discuss the parts of the polygon. So yung 4 parts lang ng polygon ang i-discuss natin. The first one is the sides. So pag sinabi nating sides are the line segments which are connected to each other and intersect at their end point. Okay, so in our given polygon, so we have a triangle. So in this triangle, we have segment itong segment na to, segment MS, itong segment na to, and segment SU, ito po yung tinatawag natin na sides ng triangle. So these are the sides of the triangle. The segment UM, segment MS, and segment SU. Okay, the next one is the vertex, or kapag marami po, tinatawag na natin siyang vertices. So, vertex or vertices, the intersections of the two line segment. So, pag sinabi nating intersection, ito po yun kung saan nag-meet yung dalawang segment. So, in our given triangle, okay, yung segment UM and segment MS, nag-meet po sila dito sa part na ito. So, itong point M. So, this is the vertices. Point M, point S, and point U. So, ito po yung mga vertices natin. Okay, another part is the interior angles. So, pag sinabi nating interior angles, are angles found inside any polygon. These angles are formed by the intersections of the two sides of a polygon. Okay, so in our given triangle, we have angle S, ito po yung angle S, angle U, and angle M are the interior angle of triangle sum. So again, angle S, itong angle na ito, angle U, itong angle na ito, and angle M are the interior angles of triangle SUM. Okay. To find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, we can use the formula quantity n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, the fourth parts of a polygon is the exterior angles. So when we see exterior angles are formed by extending the side of a polygon and forming angles adjacent to each interior angles. The sum of the exterior angles of any convex polygon is always equal to 360 degrees, whatever the number of sides of a convex polygon has. Okay, so in our given triangle, so in this given triangle, nag-extend po tayo. Yung side na ito, in-extend po natin siya. Then yung side na ito, nag-extend din tayo. Ayan, in-extend din. Yung side na ito, nag-extend din tayo. So nung na-extend yan, nagkaroon tayo dito ng angle. So itong angle na to, this is our angle X. Ito po. Then we have angle Y. So ito, angle Y. And this is angle Z. So this angle X, angle Y, and angle Z are the exterior angle of the given triangles. Okay, so these are the steps in solving word problems. So number 1, we have read the problem and make sure you understand all the words and ideas. So kailangan daw basahin natin maigi yung problem at naiintindihan natin. Kasi may tendency po na kapag hindi natin naiintindihan yung problem, mali yung magiging solution natin. For the second step, we have Make a diagram of a polygon and label the given and the missing parts. Okay, for number 3, formulate an equations based on the given and the missing parts. So dito sa number 3, mag-formulate or gagawa na tayo ng equation based doon sa given natin sa problem at saka yung missing parts. So number 4, we have to solve the equation using the good algebraic technique. So dito, isa-solve na natin yung equation natin. Okay, for number 5, answer the questions with a complete sentence. Okay, so let's have our first example. Okay, for the first example, we have the Ayala Triangle Garden has a perimeter of 160 meters. If two of its sides are equal, and the third side is 10 meters more than the equal sides, what is the length of the longest sides? Okay, so ano ba yung tinatanong dito? So ang tinatanong dito sa problem natin, what is the length of the longest side? So ito dapat yung ating sasagutan. The length of the longest sides. Okay, so the first step, we are going to draw a diagram. So ito po yung diagram natin. So we have, since ang given natin is a triangular garden, so gagamitin natin yung polygon which is triangle. Okay, so ang nakalagay dito, if the two sides are equal, so yung two sides daw natin are equal. So ibig sabihin, equal yung dalawang side natin. So itong sides na to, ito yung magiging equal sides natin. So we are going to let this side as x. Okay, so yung equal sides natin, we're going to let this one as x. And the third sides is 10 more than the equal sides. So yung third sides daw natin, ang nakalagay is 10 more than. So 10. Ito po yan, 10 meters. Then pag sinabi nating more than, so the operation involved is addition. So ito ay magiging plus the equal sides. So 10 more than the equal sides. So ano ba yung equal sides natin kanina? Sinabi natin yung equal sides natin kanina is x. We are going to let x be the equal sides. So therefore, yung third sides natin, meron na tayong equation na x plus 10. Bakit po x plus 10? Kasi yung ginamit natin dito, this one is more than. So pag sinabing pag more than yung ginamit natin, we are going to reverse the order of the given or the order of the numbers. So mauna muna to, yung nandito, so which is x plus 10. Okay, so sinabi natin kanina, let x be the length of the equal sides. Then, x plus 10 be the length of the third sides. Okay, by using the formula for the perimeter of the triangle, so we have a plus b plus c is equal to p. Okay, then by substituting the given value of the three sides of the perimeter, so kanina sabi natin we have yung side A plus B plus C is equal to P, so isa-substitute natin. So yung sides natin is we have x, then plus x, so ito yung equal sides natin. So the first sides we have x plus x, and our third sides is x plus 10 is equal to 160, which is the given perimeter. So again, we have to substitute the given value of the three sides of sides and perimeter. Okay, next we have to combine like terms. So ano ba yung kinumbine natin? So ano ba yung like terms natin? So pag sinabi nating like terms or the same terms is an algebraic expression having the same literal coefficient. So asan ba yung magkaparehas dito? So yung x plus x plus x. So alam naman natin na kapag yung variable lang yan, automatic meron po yung 1 as the numerical coefficient. So, to combine like terms, we have to add their numerical coefficient and copy the common literal coefficient. So, therefore, x plus x plus x, so we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3. Then copy the common literal coefficient, which is x. Then bring down 10. Bring down 10. Then bring down 160. Okay. The next one, we have to apply the subtraction property of equality. So, by applying the subtraction property of equality, we are going to subtract both sides of the equation by 10. So, saan po natin kinuha yung 10 na ito? So, yung 10 na ito, kinuha po natin yan dito. So, yung constant natin dito sa left side. So, by applying the subtraction property of equality, we are going to subtract both sides of the equation by negative 10. So, we come up with, so just bring down 3x plus yung 10, then subtract by 10. So, we have minus 10 is equal to 160 minus 10. Then, we have to simplify. By simplifying, so 10 minus 10, we have 0. So, just bring down 3x. So, 160 minus 10 is equal to 150. So, we come up with 3x is equal to 150. So, in this case, yung ating numerical coefficient na kasama ng x is greater than 1. So, therefore, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 3. So, divide both sides of the equation by 3. So, ginamitan po natin siya ng division property of equality. So, we come up with 3x divided by 3. So, we have x. So, 150 divided by 3. So, we have 50. So, therefore, the sides of the triangles are x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 5, and x plus 10 is equal to 60. So, the length of the longest side of the Ayala Triangle Garden is 60 meters. Okay, our second example. In a quadrilateral, two angles are equal. The third angle is equal to the sum of the two equal angles. The fourth angle is 60 degrees, less than twice the sum of the other three angles. Find the measure of the angles in the quadrilateral. So first, we're going to draw the diagram. So ito po yung diagram natin, the quadrilateral. And then next, nakalagay two angles are equal. So we are going to let x be the equal, the measure of the equal angle. So yan po, x. Then this one is x. So ito yung equal angle natin. The third angle is equal to the sum of the two equal angles. So ibig sabihin nito, yung third angle daw natin is equal to the sum of the two equal angles. So, add lang natin x plus x. So, this will be our third sides. Okay, next. The fourth angle is 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees less than twice the sum of the three angles. So, ano po bang ibig sabihin yan? Pag sinabi kasi nating plus, automatic ang operation natin dyan is minus. So, meron tayong, and then less than, so we have to reverse the order of the given. So, meron tayong, pag sinabing twice, so 2. 2 quantity x plus x plus x plus x minus 60. Kaya kasi less than po, so minus 60. So, saan po natin kinuha to? Kasi sabi dito, twice the sum of the other three angles. So, twice the sum, so 2 times the sum of the 3 angles, so x plus x plus x plus x. So this will be our 4 angles. Okay, so this figure class is not drawn to scales. So sinabi natin kanina, we are going to let x be the measure of the equal. Okay, so the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So by using the formula, we have a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 360 degrees, wherein a, b, c, and d are the values of the 4 angles. Or ito yung given measure ng 4 angles. Okay, by substituting, alam naman natin na yung measure ng angle natin kanina is x plus yung x plus yung third angle natin is x plus x. Then the fourth angle is x quantity x plus x plus x plus x minus 60 is equal to 360 degrees. So substitute the given values of the 4 angles. Then we have to simplify. So by adding, ay, tulog na. Sige, bukas.
Maraming salamat at sinamahan ninyo ako sa ating review sa ika-8 linggo ng Grade 7 Mathematics. If you have questions, feel free to send a message to our official page, Math Team Mathematics Teachers of Mandaluyong, or send a message to your math teachers. Once again, I'm EDLYN saying Math-sayang Math-aral, tayo ng matuto. Bye!
Pakinggan muna natin ang mensahe ng butihing ina ng Andres Bonifacio Integrated School. Walang iba kundi ang aming principal, Mrs. Olivia L. Pagurayan.
Good day, everyone. It is with great honor and privilege that once again, ABIS teachers continue to shine and escalate in the SDO Mandaluyong's Project SOAR. I deeply feel honored and elated knowing that we have ABIS teachers who are involved actively in the Project SOAR program of TEPED Mandaluyong. For this 8th week of 3rd quarter, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the ABIS teachers in the junior high school and senior high school departments who were able to participate and show their dedication towards making this Project SOAR a success. My sincere congratulations to my dear ABIS teachers. We have, first, Miss EDLYN Sosas, who will discuss about solving problems and angles of a polygon for grade 7. Second, Mrs. Johanna Grace B. Lara, who will talk about proving isosceles and triangle congruence for grade 8. Third, Mrs. Leia B. Kimora, who will converse about application of Pythagorean theorem in triangles for grade 9. Fourth, Mrs. Nora M. Ramirez, who will chew over finding the probability of union of two events for grade 10. And lastly, Mrs. Maricel F. Vito, who will discuss converting a normal random variable to a standard normal variable and vice versa for grade 11. Additionally, I would like to congratulate Mrs. Christine Karen T. Sota for being the moderator and Ms. Jessa Marie M. Alejo for being the video editor of this project. I believe I have to be modest But with the kind of teachers that we have in ABIS, I couldn't help but be truly proud of being their school head. I am so proud of having teachers like you who are willing to share skills in teaching mathematics. Your dedication and commitment towards delivering quality instruction is immeasurable. I greatly appreciate the time and effort you spend to help and support our students and home learning partners to better understand the contents of CLAID Learning Modules. It is a fact that modules alone are not sufficient in delivering quality education to our learners. By means of Project SOAR, learners and home learning partners are given assistance to fully comprehend the mathematics lessons, which is done through live and pre-record sessions via FB Live and YouTube. We are more than a year into this new normal, and a lot of teaching and learning strategies are being implemented to bridge the gap of learning deliveries. My appreciation for the initiative done by the SBO-CIB team for spearheading this activity. Thank you very much, our own EBS for Mathematics, Sir Resty Rodelas. This is truly a great learning opportunity for our students, especially in their academic journey in mathematics. We are almost nearing the last quarter of this school year, and the continued hard work persists among the learners and educators as well. Thank you also to our head teacher, Ma'am Maylene Tumanan. Needless to say that this project continues to soar and meet its purpose. Again, my congratulations to the ABIS teachers involved in this program, and of course to the SBO-CIB team. And hi, ABIS! Aim for excellence! ABIS yan!
Thank you po, Ma'am Pag-Ryan, for that wonderful message.